Good day, kids! Welcome to our new lesson in homeroom guidance. We are now in quarter 2, module 4, titled I Get It. Okay, are you ready for our new activity for this day? Let's try this. My OOTD outfit of the day. Imagine that you are invited to attend the 9th birthday party of your rich friend. So you're going to imagine. First, you have to draw and color what you would wear. And this will be your OOTD or outfit of the day. You can use a bond paper and you can use your pencil and colors or crayons to draw your OOTD. And do not forget to also draw the gift that you would give to the birthday celebrator. Lastly, you are going to answer the processing questions after you draw your OOTD and your gift. The processing questions are on the next slide. Wow, looking good on your OOTD. And what a great gift you have there. I assume you are now ready to answer the processing questions. Okay. Number 1. How do you feel when you were deciding for your OOTD? Explain your answer. Number 2. What did you consider in choosing your gift? Number 3. Did you ask for help from your parents or guardians in doing the activity? Why or why not? Take time in answering these questions. Let's explore. First, copy the table below on a sheet of paper. Think of 3 experiences over the past month which required decision-making. An example has been provided as your guide. Number 2. Write on the second column the result of your decision. Number 3. On the third column, write a different decision that you might also make. Number 4. In the fourth column, write the result of that decision. Number 5. In the fifth column, write the people involved in your decision. And when you're done, you're ready to answer the processing question after. You may copy this first on your notebook. Let's explore. First, copy the table below on a sheet of paper. Think of 3 experiences over the past month which required decision-making. An example has been provided as your guide. Number 2. Write on the second column the result of your decision. Number 3. On the third column, write a different decision that you might also make. Number 4. In the fourth column, write the result of that decision. Number 5. In the fifth column, write the people involved in your decision. And when you're done, you're ready to answer the processing question after. If you are done answering the table, then you are ready to answer the processing questions. Number 1. What do you notice with your answers? Number 2. What did you consider in making decisions? Number 3. What could help you in making sound decisions? Decision-making process. Knowing the process of decision-making will help you to make the sound decision in a certain situation. What is a sound decision? It is the use of good judgment or choice on a certain thing. Follow this 5-step decision-making process with the acronym of I GET. I stand for the word identify. G. Gather. E. Examine. T. Take action. And another T for take time to review. Identify. Identify the problem. What is the decision that you are going to make? You have to see the real issue to be able to solve it properly. Gather. Gather information. Look at the facts at hand. You can ask for help from your parents, other family members, or even your teacher about their thoughts and opinion on your problem. Examine. Examine options. Evaluate the choices that you have. You may have at least 3 possible solutions to your problem. You can list down the positive and negative effects of your options to give you an idea of what will happen if you select this particular choice. Take action. Make the decision which you think is the best among the solution. Take time to review. Check for the results of your decision. Was it effective or not? If it did not help you, it is okay to take this as your learning experience. You can do better next time. In this activity, you are going to copy the table below on a piece of paper, or you can write it on your notebook. Second, complete the table to enhance your decision-making skills in the 3 areas of your life: family, school, and community. This is how we are going to answer this table. In the family area, for example, your problem is financial problem, lack of money. So what are you going to do with that problem? You will save your allowance, and still you're going to study hard. Who are the persons involved? Who will help you to study hard? Who will help you to save your allowance? Okay, your parents. And what will happen in the future? Despite of your problems, of your financial problems, you save your allowance and you study hard. What will be the expected result? So, you will have savings, you have more money. You will finish your studies or you will graduate from your studies. And also, most importantly, you can give back to your parents. You can help your parents. In this activity, you are going to show me what you have learned by writing a short story. Okay? So this activity's title is Write the Right Thing. What will you do? It's very simple. Write a simple, short story on a sheet of paper that shows a person who is about to make an important decision. Identify what kind of problem and option the person has. Make sure that you follow the steps in decision making. An example has been provided as your guide. Listen very carefully as I tell you the sample story. Lisa was very excited for Christmas because her Aunt Mary promised to buy her a new pair of shoes. Aunt Mary even let Lisa choose the color of her dream shoes. A few weeks before Christmas, Lisa broke her mobile phone. She needed this for her online classes. Because of this, Aunt Mary let Lisa choose between the shoes or a new mobile phone. After days of thinking, Lisa finally decided to have a new mobile phone. She talked to her Aunt Mary and explained that her parents could not afford a new phone. It was a hard decision for Lisa because she waited long for her dream shoes. Do you like the story about Lisa? Now it is your time to write your own story. You may write your story on your homeroom guidance notebook. And after you write your own story, you are going to answer these processing questions. Question number 1. What did you feel while writing a story? Number 2. Why did you choose that kind of decision? Number 3. How are you going to use the learnings that you have in making decisions in your life? In this activity, you are going to share your thoughts and feelings. You may write this on a piece of paper or on your homeroom guidance notebook. This activity's title is My Share to Solutions. On a piece of paper or on your notebook, write one problem in your community. Then, think of ways how can you contribute to be part of the solutions. Identify the people who can help you to do your shared solutions. Write your explanation after. Good job! You successfully finished this module. I hope you learned a thing or two so that you are going to apply the lessons you learn in your daily lives. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.